All right, right now I'm in the little boy section. So, guys want to look around, and I spotted these super cute shirt, endless skills. And I'll probably grab some of these for my son, but I wanted to show you guys this. All right, you guys can see the UPC. And these are only $4. $4. So they have this one with a long sleeve. And then back here, they have this eSport Champion Global Gaming Order. And my son's going to love this because he loves gaming. Or I think that's gaming. All right, so you guys can see the tag. There's the UPC. That's his size too, size 8. And these are only $5. So they got this one. And again, the UPC. And then they have this green one. So this one's super nice. There's the UPC for the green one. $5. And if you come over here, let me show you a few more. All right. Oh, this one's cute. They got this cute Scooby-Doo shirt. Oh, not bad. Here's the UPC. Sorry, it's kind of blurry. It's only $5. Here's another Scooby-Doo. And this one is, here's the UPC. This one's also $5. They have this Batman one. So there is clearance everywhere, you guys. There's a UPC for the Batman. Let me see if I can find a price. Oh, these are only $2. Wow. Now that's a steal. I thought that was going to be $5. So look at this. A $2 shirt. And it's Batman. That's what it looks like again. Oh, that's a good price. But they're pretty big. So I'm not sure if my son is going to fit into one of these. But again, let me show you the UPC for the Batman. And look at this, you guys. Boom, only $2 again. All right, I'm going to go around here. Look at this. Isn't that the cup of noodles? That's too cute. Look how cute this is, you guys. All right, so there's a UPC. And again, that's what it looks like. And these are on sale for $4. How you doing? I always want to say that. Now I have the excuse. All right, so I think this is the Friends TV show shirt. I don't watch the show, but that's super cute. Here's the UPC. I got Manny over here laughing. And these are $4. So they got quite a... Oh, this is so cute. They got a lot of clearance. Look at the Tricks. The Trick cereal. Tricks are for kids. Look how cute. I gotta grab one of these. All right, so again, this is the Trick shirt. And again, I'm in the youth boy section. There's the UPC. And these are $4. $4. All right, did I miss anything? Oh, look at this. Now, how cute is this? You remember the Kool-Aid man? I didn't really like Kool-Aid. It was too sweet for me, but look at how cute this shirt is. Did you drink it?
Of course.
No, I didn't really like it. It was too... I think my brother used to put too much sugar in it.
I drank it and ate the powder.
Right. I can see that. I can see you doing that, Manny. All right, so this is the Kool-Aid shirt. What did he say? What was his catchphrase? Oh, man. Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
I think about something else.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
I'll think about the wrestler, Randy Savage. All right, so anyway, here's the Kool-Aid shirt. Here's the UPC. $4. And oh, what's this? What's that mean?
Like the sauce.
Like a salt or something?
The dipping sauce at like Zaxby's and
I don't know.
Chick-fil-A.
Let us know below what this means. But they have this shirt if you guys want it. Here's the UPC. And this one is also $4. So good luck. We're here to bring you all the clearance. So some of these were $4 and $5. Some of these, also $2 for the Scooby-Doo. And these were $4. All right, now we are in the toddler section. And we're just going around this whole store. Look at how cute this is. This is Child of Mine by Carter's. Little sister. Look at how small these pants are. I mean, I don't even remember none of my kids being this small, but super cute. Okay, so again, this brand is Child of Mine. You guys can see the UPC. And only $5. $5, so not bad. You get the shirt and you get these cute little pants. And look how cute this one is. They have look like little moose. They have the bears and the fox all over. Like a little sweater. There's the name brand. And here's the UPC. And this one's a 12 month, but they actually had different sizes. And look at this, $2. Boom, $2 for this cute little sweater. Look at this one, Daddy's Little Explorer. Super cute. It's the bright orange with the camel writing. All right, and here's the UPC. This one's 18 months. $2. $2. So if you have any little ones, you guys want to start reselling, only $2. $2 and $2 on Angel on the Go. Now this is the cutest little, it's like a little vest. And look at the print. And it's super soft. Alright, so they have different sizes. They have from 2T to 5T. There's the UPC. And look at this. Only $6. This is one of my favorites. And it has a hoodie. Look at that. It's like a little vest. And it does have a button right here. And then it opens up right here. You guys can see the inside. And the last one I'm going to show you, it's kind of similar to that one, but it's this. And this one is the pink. Again, it has the button right here. Open up the inside. There's the UPC for the pink. And it's only $6. $6 on sale. I wish my little ones were little again because this is too cute. I would definitely get this along with this one. And they're super soft. So the next time you are at Walmart, make sure you look out for the Wonder Nation because these are only $6. All right, I just showed you the vest over here. And then I turn around and I see this sign right here. And I want to show you this cute little dress. This is like a navy. Or it's not even a dress, it's a pant outfit. So these are pants. It has sparkles. Look how cute this is. This one also is Wonder Nation. Sorry if it's blurry. And they have all of these here. So it looks like they have 2T, 3T, 18 months, 4T, 5T. So they got quite a few. So it has the short sleeves, the little belt, and the pants. Let me show you the UPC. And look at this. Boom. $7. $7. Let me show you what else I found, which is super cute. Look at this. Look at this, Manny. It has like, look like you're going to work. They got the little puppies on there with the red sweater. It has the black vest. You got 3 buttons on here. And it also comes with the gray pants. So you get a whole set. And there's the UPC. And this one is 11. There's the UPC again. And this one was about $17. Now it's down to 11. Super cute. And again, it comes with 3 pieces. All right, we are finding more clearance. Look at this, you guys. I love these pants. They're so comfortable. They're loose fitting. And this is no boundaries. And of course, this is the burgundy one. You guys can see the $14.88 price. Here's the UPC. And look at this. Boom, only $7. These are super cute. I have these in black, so I think I might get these. They also have these, but they don't have it in my size. So this is like the mustard or yellow and the white. Again, this is the name, no boundaries. Here's the UPC. And again, $7. And they also have the blue, which I love, the navy. These are super nice. Super comfortable, you guys, if you guys don't want to wear jeans. It says 2 ways to wear. I have no clue. All right. There's the UPC. $7. Let me turn over here. Boom. Only on Angel on the Go. $7 for the navy. $7 for this one. And $7 for the burgundy. All right, here's more hidden clearance. All right, you guys can see the $9 price here. But you always got to scan, scan, scan. This is the Fruit of the Loom 3 cotton bikini, and it's tag free. And super soft. Let me show you the UPC. There's the UPC. And can you believe these are only $5? $5. You cannot beat that. If you guys need extra underwear, look for these Fruit of the Loom for only $5, not $9. Then the second one we found was this one. So this one was the 3 cotton bikinis. And this one is the 3 briefs. And both are super soft. This is what it looks like. Let me show you the UPC. All right. And these 2 are only $5, you guys. So I see 2 left, not my size. But I'm going to look around to see if they have my size. Good luck.